Welcome to this session. We are going to learn scatterplots today using R programming. This is the part 1 of this series, and I'm your instructor Rajesh Durbala, and I'm an assistant professor in business analytics and research methodology. Today's agenda, it's quite simple. We'll be building the basic scatterplot, and we'll try to put in the line of best fit, and apart from that we'll just try to include the Lowess smoothing of these scatterplots. Going ahead, so the basic syntax that we can use for creating scatterplots is plot and xy, where x and y are numeric vectors denoting the xy point to the plot. As simple as that. Okay, now a basic scatterplot can be drawn using these commands, and whereas the basic line of best fit can be used or can be put in by using this command, ab line bracket lm mpg. These are the variables in the data file, that is data file empty cars. Okay, and if I'm using the Lowess smoothing, I'll use this lines Lowess weight and mpg. These are the variables. Okay, getting into my R studio now, just this is the data that I'll use. Let's get me the data empty cars, run it. I get the data empty cars. If I have a look, what are the variables? Okay, so these are the variables. I have mpg, cylinder, displacement, hp, drat, weight, qsec, vs, am. Fine. So these are the various attributes of different cars. Now I'll attach this file. Let me attach it. So I've attached it. Now let us plot the basic scatterplot. The function or the syntax that I'm using is plot. This is one variable weight, and this is one variable mpg, miles per gallon. So I just want to see how the miles per gallon depends on the weight of the car. Main equals to, this is the title for my scatterplots, that is scatterplot example. This is x lab, that's labeling for x axis. I have just taken car weight. Y lab, that is the labeling for y label, y axis, that's mile per gallon. PCH, the point characteristics. Okay, that's 19, and just I've taken my favorite color, that is red, I suppose. Let me just, yeah, this is red. Okay, so when I run this, I get the basic scatterplot. So this is my basic scatterplot. You can see this is the x axis, that's car weight, and this is the y axis, that's mile per gallon.